This real estate agent has a full-on pineapple mascot. Pineapple Homes. We're going to start off with their YouTube channel banner. Obviously, it screams Hawaii. You've got the island nublar from Jurassic Park, palm trees and the bushes. Anything with a gate this big has to be safe. But there's one thing about that YouTube channel banner that is missing. They don't have any links. They could be getting leads to a landing page, to a website, their Facebook, their Instagram, their TikTok, wherever, right? But they're not. This was the channel banner that I came up with for this team. It's pulling in the colors from their logo, as well as a call to action there for the future. And then this is their team leader, Devin. Yeah, I actually go by Divine, not Devin. Jumping into their profile image, it screams several things. It screams their business name, Pineapple Homes. It has the home inside of it. It's got the pineapple inside of it. It's got the Hawaiian like tattoo look. And then you come over to their about description, and I was actually kind of confused when I compared their about description to their videos. Their about description is speaking to clients, potential buyers or sellers in the Hawaiian area. It's just not clear in their YouTube content that that's who they're targeting, and I'll explain that. So about 90% of their content is actually tips from top producers for other real estate agents, attracting and igniting buyer interest, crafting the perfect content plan. It's all very, very geared towards other real estate agents. But then they have these spectacular market updates done in a way that I've never seen done before. Let's watch some of this right here.
Aloha and welcome.
Aloha.
2023.
I love it.
Homes Real Estate Update.
Didn't know I could beatbox, huh? Neither did I.
Once a month, the market is showing promising
All right, so that's
signs.
2 people now. I'm going to skip through some of this. There's a 3rd person.
No more rushing to
Here's a 4th person.
sale price. In May 2023, the median
5th person.
don't be this
Buyers
6th.
are willing to pay a premium price for the right property.
7th, they have like their whole team
We got the
doing
band
this
back
market
together.
update, showing that they work as a team, that they're not there just trying to eat up each deal, right? Each individual. The description, markets bananas as always. What does that even mean? You could have had so many more keywords in this description, living in Hawaii, moving to Hawaii. Such a creative way to do a market update. Again, no mention of Hawaii at all in the title, nor the description. Well, you have Hawaii, but no local keywords from your local market. These are hilarious.
In Hawaii, things are pretty predictable. The surf is gonna be good.
Then things start going wrong, right?
interest rates rising year after year.
No matter your current situation, a Pineapple Group has a solution for you.
I thought this part was hilarious.
Programs and fixed interest rates. You guys don't have to worry about a fluctuating economy.
I don't know why. That type of humor just gets me every single time. Okay, and they did another one. I love it. So they do a market update while exercising in this one. And then they cut to this like modern. This caught me by surprise. The pineapple. The pineapple. I wish all of their content had the pineapple. All of it. Your description is talking towards clients, but yet all your videos speak to agents. And so I really think you just need to target either one for your YouTube content. Maybe have a separate channel where you target real estate agents, and then another one where you target clients, have a separate playlist, something. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube channel review. Pineapple Homes. I love the content. I love the pineapple. I would just love to see more of it. If you enjoyed this YouTube channel review, hey, watch another one. I guarantee you're going to learn something when I go through Canva and the others. All right. Thanks, everybody.
Follow me. Come on. Come.